Hey guys, I've been working on my clutch coasters lately. I'm not good at all at it, but I figured I'd show you how I'm practicing and maybe you can start to learn that too. So let's get right into it. What it is essentially just going up in a wheelie, dropping behind balance point and pulling in the clutch. Now it's very important that you're comfortable with the foot brake on this one, because if you don't brake, you're just gonna fall backwards and really wreck yourself. So going up, dropping back, clutch, and meet it with a foot brake. And try and last as long as you can before you brake too hard, making it fall in front of balance point and going back down again. So just, you know, clutch ups and then clutch in. Clutch up, drop back, clutch in. Don't brake too hard, try and stay here. And you also don't want to be too far back because you lose all your speed. If you want to be able to ride out long coasters, this is the same technique that you do when you hear people revving in a wheelie. They pop back, they pull in the clutch, and while they are doing this, they rev it. But I won't do that, and I don't recommend you doing that until you're really comfortable. Because if you accidentally let go of the clutch, instead of engine braking, you will be met with a hard hit throwing you backwards. So, up, back, pull in. Don't brake too hard, don't brake too hard, don't brake too hard. Oh, we're almost coming to a stop. And how I started to get this down, I thought it was super hard in the beginning. I have an idle adjuster here. Let me know if you want to get a video on how I made it. So I'll just turn up the idle. We're at 3,000 now. You may even want more. I'll start at low RPMs, because if you're at high RPMs, when you pull in the clutch, the difference between, you have a lot of engine braking here. You do not have a lot of engine braking here. So you go from a lot of engine braking to none at all really quickly, while here it's not as stark of a difference. And then I just do my wheelies like usual. I pop up a little bit and pull in the clutch, and it goes down. And that way I know it is not far back enough. So I try again, I turn around, I do my wheelie, go back, pull it in, and I go down again. When I go down, you can just let it smack if you're feeling scared of going over backwards, or if you're really comfortable with your bike, you can let it out again, give a little gas just to even it out at the bottom. But then I practice again, so I go up and I go even further back, and I kind of did it that time. All the way to the point where you start to get that feeling. There's gonna be a lot of like premature clutch pulling in, getting down really quickly. But eventually you'll get up there, drop back, pull it in, and be smoother with it. And up, and pull it in, and be even smoother with it like this. Yeah. I hope this helped you guys. This is like the first step to rev bombing. The only difference is getting really comfortable with it and going up, going back, clutch, and giving it gas while you're doing it. But that's too much for me to focus on right now. Okay, that's it for today. Subscribe for more tips and comment what you want me to teach you. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Bye.